but not afraid. J is for jelly, wobbly and sweet. Learning letters is such a treat. G-H-I, let's sing them loud. J-K-L, join the crowd. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey who loves to swing. N is for nest where birds sing. O is for octopus with 8 arms. Letters are fun, full of charm. K-L-M, let's sing with glee. N-O-P, so easy to see. P is for penguin waddling slow. Q is for queen with a crown that glows. R is for rabbit that loves to hop. S is for sun, shining on top. T is for turtle, moving along. Join us in this alphabet song. P-Q-R, we're singing right. S-T-U, feeling bright. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin, playing a sweet refrain. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for xylophone, play joyfully. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, striped all around. U, V, W, let's play and sing. X, Y, Z,